What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of RAA, and today we're at the inlet doing inlet shenanigans. I was just having fun out there going for whatever. So if this video is kind of like skipping around, it looks like it's early in the morning and then the middle of the day. This is just all of the footage basically put in one video. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment, share, do all that good YouTube stuff. Enough talking, let's get into the video.
I swear there's either a Canaveral or a Goliath right there.
Yeah, that was a grouper. That was a Goliath. Is that them on top right there?
Yeah, they're tailing.
No way.
Yeah, they're big.
Yeah, that's what they said. I think he's getting seen. Yeah. Oh! Oh!
Let him eat.
Oh my God!
Right, let him eat.
He ate it.
No. Oh! Hell yeah! Bro!
Oh!
Bro, that was
Oh
so
my
sick.
God! That was sick!
So sick.
Oh my God! You saw that?
Yeah. Let's go up with the hook a big ass.
Do you want me to do this one then? Don't hit the tail with it. Let that thing swim down now. Let it swim down.
It's gonna get smoked in a second.
Oh, baby.
It's gonna get smoked.
If you let it sink, it's gonna get smoked.
Oh! 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 Let him eat it! Let him eat it!
I've seen that.
Oh, go now! Go now! Yeah! Oh my God, dude! That was the coolest thing on earth!
I was like, gosh.
Oh! Come on, no, come back here. Come back here. No, we're good.
Dude, just lower him down there. He's about to get munched. Look at him. Do you see him?
Oh! Oh my God, he ate it. He ate it. I'm letting him eat it. Did you see that? Oh no.
Has he got it?
Yeah, he's got it.
Smoke him.
I don't think he has it anymore.
With the sauce.
No, he doesn't have it anymore. Oh my, oh my God.
Yeah, the big Ryan was right. Look.
They will fry through 120.
Yeah, like,
Imagine you eat.
oh my, he ate it, he ate it, he ate it. Let him go out with it?
Yeah.
Hit him.
No, I'm letting him swallow this thing.
Let him go. He's gonna feel it. Let him spit it out. Hit him with the sauce. Oh!
Told you, it's. Oh my God, there he goes. There he is.
Let him go with it.
Dude, that's a big one. Is this thing recording?
I don't. Yes, it is. You still got it?
Yeah.
What you think? You think you cut everything?
No, it's. No, he. Oh. Oh. Let him eat. Let him eat. Let him eat. I would do it now. I would do it now before he gets to the rocks. Go. Oh my. Get him, Alex. Get him, Alex. Get him, Alex! Oh, yeah, get it, Alex! Yeah! Work him! Is he big? Come on, Alex, let's go, buddy! Yes, sir! Is it? Yeah. I got it. Woo!
That's something bigger.
Yeah, that's bigger than we think it is.
Yeah, how do you turn this off, Ryan?
Okay, hold it over your head, Alex. Take it, alt, flip it.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh my gosh. It's a big one. It's a big one, I think. Is it? Yeah. Stay out. He's right there. Oh my Lanza. Oh. Oh. That's a big one. Oh. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.